You can make professional product advert videos like this in less than 30 minutes using only free AI tools. So in this video, I'm breaking down the exact 4-step workflow I use to create quality CGI videos using AI, all for free. My name is Dolapo, and on this channel, I share AI workflows like this. Kindly subscribe, like, and share, and drop any questions you have in the comment section.
You go to Pinterest, then allow it to load, and then go to the search bar right here and type CGI images. You can see there are different CGI images right here you can make or you can use as references, right? So I'm just going to go through it and pick the one I want to. This is also an example. Okay, so this is another one. You just click on these three dots and download image. I'll be going with this one and I just downloaded it. This is also another one. We'll head over to ChatGPT and then add the image we got from Pinterest, any of them. So let's try this one. We'll add it and then we'll now write this one. We'll just say write a detailed description of the image attached. So I said write a detailed and clean description of the image attached and then we send. So it has given us a detailed description of the image we uploaded. So I attached the product picture that I want to use the same description for, and I'll tell ChatGPT I want to use the same description above to model my product attached. Modify the description you gave to fit for my attached product. And then it responded with this, right? But I now went again and told it, what I mean is I want the skyscraper now rising along the edge of the river, but instead of carrying the Della Rice brand, it's going to be carrying my Pizza Cream brand. I want it to carry my own body glow scrub. Please help me modify the prompt accordingly. So after I sent that, it gave me this description, right? It gave me the description. And then I now went further to say, I'll be using the Google Gemini to generate the image. I will attach the glow scrub as reference. Help me modify the prompt so that it knows I am referring to the attached picture. And then it gave us the prompt. Can you see that? So what the prompt says is, using the attached image as product reference, create a futuristic, that, and then let's just go ahead and copy this whole prompt. I'll just go ahead to Gemini. So you can find Google Gemini on your App Store or your Play Store. If you're having issues accessing Gemini, just go to your browser and type Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio, locate Nano Banana. Locate Nano Banana, and then you go ahead with this procedure. So in this case, I'll just click on create image, and then right here, I will upload my reference image, which is the body scrub in my case. And then I'm going to paste this prompt right here. And then we're going to send. So this is the response we got. We're going to download it. I'll download it and then I'll go ahead and take off this watermark right here. I have a tutorial on my channel on how to remove watermark from your product pictures. I'm going to put a link in the description box below this video. Okay, so we're going to head over to Grok, but before then, we'll go to ChatGPT again and then I'll just tell it to give me to animate it. So you can see the response here. It has given us the prompt to animate. And if you look at the end of the text, you will see if you want, I can create shorter, longer, or more dramatic animation versions as well. So we can just say create 2 more dramatic versions, include camera angles, you can just say 2 different camera angles. So I said create 2 more dramatic versions, include 2 different camera angles. So I just sent that, and then, so what we're going to do is we're going to copy the first one. We'll copy this first one, this one it gave us. So it's more or less like we're going to break it down into scenes. So I copy the first one, and then this is the version 2. I can come back and copy the first one with the camera angle, and copy the second one with camera angle, or the third one with the camera angle, right? So we'll just go ahead to Grok. Let's try Grok. Let's see if Grok can do this for us. We'll come to Grok, and then we're going to attach. We'll click on create videos, and then we'll attach what we want to animate. Attach this. So we'll now head over to Grok. We can use either Grok or Google Veo 3. So let's try Grok first and see how what it's going to give us. So we'll just go to Grok. On Grok, I'll click on photo gallery. I will upload the image. Wait for it to upload. And then right here where we have the edit video, on Grok app, when you upload your photo, it automatically starts animating. You can just wait for it to finish animating before you now customize your own video. So let's just wait for that to complete it. I'm going to paste the prompts that I got from ChatGPT to animate, and then I'm going to send. All right, can you see that? I think I love this. Wow. So after pasting the second prompt, that's the second version I copied from ChatGPT. See what we got. Now I'm going to test the same prompt. I'll test it on VEO 3. To access VEO 3, just head over to your browser and then type Google Flow in the search bar. You'll be asked to sign in. So when we have this text to video part, we're going to change it to frame to video, and then we will just also put the aspect ratio. We could add it as landscape if we want, or we put it as portrait, and we'll also set the output as one so we don't burn our credits. This is going to charge us 20 credits. And then right here we're going to upload the frame. We'll upload the image, which is this. We'll crop and save. And then right here we'll type our prompts. So we'll just paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT, and then we're just going to send and wait for that to generate.